If your Mazda suddenly displays keyless system malfunction on the dashboard, don't assume it's only a weak key fob battery. While that's a common cause, several other issues can trigger this warning, and ignoring it could leave you unable to restart your car after turning the engine off. Before replacing expensive parts, watch this video because I'll explain what this warning means, the most common causes, and 5 possible solutions. The keyless system malfunction or keyless entry system malfunction message means your Mazda has detected a problem within the advanced keyless entry and push button start system. In simple terms, one or more components responsible for detecting the key fob and allowing keyless entry or push button starting are no longer communicating correctly. You may also notice the amber master warning light or a flashing amber light on the start button. If this warning appears while you're driving, the engine will usually continue running. However, once you switch it off, the vehicle may not restart using the push button system until the problem is resolved or the emergency start procedure is used. That's why you shouldn't ignore this warning. One of the most common causes is a weak CR2032 key fob battery. As the battery loses power, the signal may no longer be detected reliably. Replacing it often fixes the problem, but not in every case. Another possible cause is a weak 12-volt vehicle battery. Even if the engine still cranks, low voltage can interrupt communication between keyless system modules and trigger this warning. Moisture or corrosion can also cause problems. Water entering the door handle assembly after heavy rain or pressure washing may damage the touch sensor or low frequency antennas, leading to intermittent or permanent keyless system faults. Loose wiring or corroded connectors between the start-stop unit, LF control unit, and body control module are another possible cause. Sometimes the issue is simply a poor electrical connection rather than a failed module. If you've recently programmed a used replacement key fob, an incorrect pairing or VIN mismatch can also trigger the warning if the previous programming wasn't erased properly. Now let's look at the solutions. First, replace the CR2032 battery inside the key fob with a fresh, high-quality battery. Second, test the condition of the 12-volt battery. If it's weak, replacing it and performing the required battery reset may clear the warning. Third, if the car won't start normally, try the emergency push start procedure by holding the key fob directly against the push button start switch while pressing the brake or clutch. If it starts, the issue is likely related to keyless communication. Fourth, inspect the door handles, rear bumper area, and wiring for signs of water intrusion, corrosion, damage, or loose connectors. Repairing these faults can often restore normal operation. Fifth, have the vehicle scanned with Mazda diagnostic equipment. The stored fault codes can identify whether the vehicle needs a software update, key reprogramming, or module reprogramming. One important thing to remember is that replacing parts without proper diagnosis can become expensive. Some owners repeatedly replace the key fob battery when the real issue is the 12-volt battery, while others replace costly control modules when the problem is only a loose connector or damaged wiring. So if your Mazda displays the keyless system malfunction warning, don't panic, but don't ignore it. Start by checking the key fob battery and the 12-volt battery, inspect for water damage or loose wiring, and if the warning remains, have the system professionally diagnosed before replacing expensive components. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other Mazda owners who may experience the same warning.